And next roundabout, I would like you to turn right, please.
More to the left.
Or in the middle, whichever suits you. Very, very good decision. Well, don't need to signal. Okay, I have to help you out a little bit here. You are doing so well. You are doing so well, and I'm proud of you. It's just that you're slightly doubting yourself and need to understand this. So let's talk about the top of the hill mini roundabout. You were turning right. You use your routine correctly. So when we were approaching, the first thing you did, you checked
my mirrors.
And after the mirrors,
signaled,
and then
positioning.
No, mirrors positioning. That's it. And after that, you
Position.
slow down, and then you look. Yeah, you did quite well. You look on the right. There was a car coming. You stop for them, and then finally, you know the car was behind. You went. Your positioning was perfectly fine. Now, while you were doing all that, did you saw the roundabout sign? What type of roundabout was that?
Mini.
Yeah, it was a mini. So with a blue circle sign with 3 arrows in there, it means a mini roundabout. On the mini roundabout, because there's such a small space to navigate. Now, mini roundabouts when we're going right compared to the major roundabouts. A major roundabout when going right, you're correct. You check your mirrors and signal left after the second exit or whatever it is. Mini roundabout, we don't multitask.
Oh, so you don't do that on mini?
We only give one signal to go right.
Right.
Why is that? Because you got a less room to maneuver.
Right.
You need more quick power steering control in such a loss of space. Because if you're going to start doing that, and which you did you lose control there?
Yeah, I did.
Because you have to use your brakes, you have to use your steering, you have to do so many things going on.
Yeah.
So mini roundabout, you actually don't do that. Just give one signal on the right.
Right.
And also that is a reason why when we are going ahead at the mini roundabout, what we don't do, we don't signal. Remember one thing, at the mini roundabout, you don't signal or indicate when you're going ahead.
Right.
By giving not indicator, you're kind of letting other people know that you are going ahead.
Yeah.
So that van driver was not indicating. That means telling you he's going ahead. That means you could just, if no other risk involved, you carry on.
Yeah, I know.
Does it make sense now? We're going to do another mini roundabout. What I want you to do, when you see the mini roundabout sign, I want you to say it out loud. Tell me you've seen it and see if you can navigate better by yourself. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's drive off whenever you're ready, please, for me.